Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This series of videos is a crash course for anyone new to Blender and want to dive in head first and get started in modeling. Let's get started. So what you have here is the start screen of Blender 3.3.1 and click on the empty space to get rid of the start splash screen. To dolly around the screen, meaning to move around the 3D scene, hold down your middle mouse and move your mouse and you'll be able to move your camera around the 3D object. Hold down shift and middle mouse and you'll be able to pan. In other words, to move your viewport view of the 3D object in any direction you like. Scroll your middle mouse button to zoom in and out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See ya.